Okay. Victor, how is your life? Answer me sitting down. Sit down, sit down. Alright, today we are going to be working with proposal. Okay. Now, like I said, we are going to be working with proposal. Then I'm going to start by telling you what is meant by proposal. Proportion is a relationship that exists between two or more things. Is that okay? Yes, sir. Proportion is the relationship between one thing and another one. Is that okay? Yes, sir. Now, we have two types of proportion, direct proportion and indirect proportion. And then, in the same way, direct proportion can be split into two types. We have okay. Everybody say proportion. Proportion. Everybody. Proportion. All right. It may be interesting to know that there are two types of proportion. We have two types of proportion: simple proportion and compound proportion. Now, simple proportion is the relationship. Remember, I said proportion is the relationship between one thing and another thing. Is that okay? Yes, sir. And now, simple proportion is the relation between two things. Is that okay? Yes, sir. Meanwhile, compound proportion is the relation between three or more things. You understand now? Yes, sir. Okay. So we are going to start with simple proportion, and we are going to look at a single question on simple proportion, and we are going to solve it to your understanding. Alright, but before we get there, simple proportion can equally be split into two parts. There are two types of simple proportion. We have direct proportion and indirect proportion. Oh, what do you think can be direct proportion? Direct proportion is one in which when one quantity is increasing, the other one will be also increasing. For example, this is the example that was going to be solving. In a direct proportion, when one quantity is increasing, the other quantity also increases. Remember, we said a proportion is the relationship between one thing and another, and it can be a quantity, size, or number, or even other things. Alright? Yes. And then now it's in direct proportion when one, if we are dealing with the size, it means when the size of one is increasing, the size of another one is also increasing. A good example is here. We are going to solve this. Okay. Solution. I'm going to give you the steps to follow when solving problems involving simple direct proportion as well as indirect and compound proportion. To start with, direct proportion. Question 1. 55 kilograms of coffee costs 5,500 francs. Find the cost of 98 kilograms. The first thing is to collect the information they have given you. And how do you collect the information they have given you? In a table. Everybody repeat table. Table. To collect the information in a table. This is my table. I'm going to have, we have 55 kilograms of coffee, cost 5,500 francs. So I'm going to have, this is my table. This is going to be the mass of coffee, and this is going to be the price of coffee. Now, 55 kilograms of coffee cost 5,500 francs. Then find the cost of 98 kilograms. Exactly. When you do this, in the first preliminary certificate, they give you 2 marks. Are you there? Yes, sir. Now, listen very attentively. When you are solving simple proportion, you are supposed to make 3-step statements. 3. So there are 3 statements you have to make to be able to complete the simple proportion question. Are you there? Yes. Unlike a compound proportion, you have 5 statements. So now, here is simple proportion. How many statements do we have to make? How many statements do we have to make? 3 statements. The first statement is this statement. 55 kilograms of coffee costs 5,500 francs. Is that okay? Yes, sir. The method we are using is called unitary method. Means there's another method again. This is the most recognized method of solving simple proportion. The unitary method. Now, if 55 kilograms of coffee costs 5,500 francs, then 1 kilogram of coffee will cost. We are now required to find out whether the price is going to be more or less. And when the price is more, we do what? We multiply. When the price is less, we divide. Are we there? Yes, sir. So if 55 kilograms, if 55 kilograms will cost 5,500, then just 1 kilogram, will it cost more than 5,500 or less than? It's going to cost less than. Less. So now, mathematically, less means division is going to be 5,500 divided by 55. You leave it like this. Are you there? Yes, sir. Now make the last statement. I said how many statements we have to make? 3 statements. We now make the last statement. Now, 98 kilograms will cost 98 kilograms. We are leaving from the second statement to the third statement. Now, if 1 kilogram of coffee costs this amount, 1 kilogram, then 98 kilograms, will it cost more or less? It's going to cost more, right? And when we have more, we need to multiply. So it's going to cost more. Mathematically, we still copy this 5,500 divided by 55 times, I will add it to the numerator, times 98. 98. Is that okay? Yes. I can now simplify this by, let's say by 5. 5 here, let's say 11. 11 goes how many times in 55? 5 times. 5 times. And okay, this 5,500 will just cancel, right? By 55. 1, 0, 0. Are we there? Yes, sir. Good. And finally, we have our answer as 98 times 100, which is 9,800 francs CFA. So it means that 98 kilograms of coffee will cost 9,800 francs. You understand now? Yes, sir. Good. Shalom. What is the name of the best teacher in Cameroon?
The best teacher in the whole world is Sir Godwin YAKUM.
Sir Godwin YAKUM. Clap for her. inverse proportion. So indirect proportion means inverse proportion. Alright, in an indirect proportion, when one quantity is increasing, the other quantity drops. Is that okay? Yes, sir. I said that in direct proportion, when one quantity is increasing, the other quantity increases. But now, in an indirect proportion, when one quantity is increasing, the other one should be decreasing. Everybody. Decrease. So one must increase, another one should decrease. So we have this as an example. 12 men complete a piece of work in 9 days. How long will it take 4 men to do the same work? Who can come and do it? Who can come and do it? Alright. I'm going to do it and then I'll give an exercise. People will come up and solve. Is that okay? I said we need how many statements? We need 3 statements, and we need to start with a table. We need to start with this table. All right. I have 12 men, 9 days, 4 men. Yeah, I'm going to have men and days. Is that okay? 12 men against 9 days, 4 men. Question mark. Is that okay? Yes, sir. Without this table, all what you're solving makes no sense. Now let's begin. The first statement: 12 men work in 9 days. Is that true? Yes. 12 men work in 9 days. And do we say 1 man? 1 man will work in more or less. If 12 people, 12 able people can do something in 9 days, how long will it require just 1 person to do that same work? More or less? More. You need more days to do what 12 people can do. Is that true? Yes. So it's going to be more days. In more days. Alright, what's that more days? We're going to express it mathematically as 12 times 9 in days. Is that true? Yes, sir. 12 times 9, because I said when we have more, we do multiplication. Yes or yes? Yes, sir. Alright, the last statement now, 4 men, then 4 men will now work in. The transition is between the second statement and the third statement. 1 man is doing something in a certain number of days. 1 man. Then now 4 men doing the same thing that 1 man did. We then need more days or less days? Less days, right? Yes. Less days. Alright. Mathematically should be 12 times 9 divided by 4. Alright. This will give us, we can simplify by 4, 3. 1, 3, right? Yes, sir. Okay. What's 3 times 9? 27.